There you are, guys.
I love these moments.
Do you know what you can do if you can't get that smile line really crisp? You could put a line of glitter there. That always hides any, wibbly wobbly lines.
Or diamonds.
Or diamonds, yes, JJ, it's a good one. Real little diamonds. For real diamonds, of course.
Oh, yes.
Of course.
No pressure.
I've got this camera, that camera, this camera, that. 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras. Okay, right.
No
okay.
pressure.
No pressure and all that. But it's live. Okay.
No swearing.
No swearing. Sorry. I'm sorry for my potty mouth. So now you might be able to see the reason that I sort of did it in black first, because the gel will sort of sit in those gaps. So it's like it holds the gel in that area. What would you call that? It's like a little cup. It's like a little
Like a well.
yeah, I suppose you make a well for it, don't you? And the perimeter is there. It's like a moat. Maybe not, because that's in. This is out. This is raised, not sunk
Canal.
in. The canal's sunk in as well.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
So it makes like a little pool area. So you can put the gel into it and it pools into that area. Yeah. Oh, I don't know if that works either, but...
Comment below.
So what we do to that nail is we take it out on the lash and dehydrate it with alcohol. That's what happens when you go out on the lash and you get drunk, isn't it? Yeah. You dehydrate your body.
This woman is facing the biggest challenge of her life. Trying to do her YouTube sign-off without f***ing it up. Again, and again, and again, and again. Oh my god, what's she doing? Join us for Kirsty Meakin versus the English language. Who will win? Oh, I forgot to mention, there'll also be some nail art.
You can talk, Faye.
So,
Are you feeling under pressure?
no, not. It's because I'm having me cough. I'm trying not to talk, and then hopefully I won't cough.
So our ears have been given a rest today. Faye normally likes to talk a lot, and I'm normally like, shut up, Faye. I'm trying to get this on camera now. I need to talk to camera. Shut up, Faye.
Poor fit.
Yeah, but not today. She's been quiet as a mouse. Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin from Neo Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you a mermaid-inspired design, and we're going to use crushed shells, and we're going to put some little shells on as well. It's going to be unicorn, not unicorn. Oh my god, I'll start again.
Mermaid.
Mermaid.
Sound like Nicki Minaj trying to do an English accent now.
I sounded like Nicki Minaj.
Nicki Minaj doing a British accent.
Saying, man, am I like, and I can fly.
Honestly, you want Era doing not Kirsty.
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj doing a.
I am Nicki Minaj.
You
Literally
don't
no idea.
even.
Nah. You can,
Don't say you don't know who Nicki Minaj is.
if
Oh
she
my
walked
god,
in
she's
this
got the
room,
best booty
I
in
would
the
have
industry.
no idea who she was.
So not down with the kids. I love Nicki Minaj. Nicki Minaj, if you want your nails doing, you just call this girl up. Call me up. I'll do your nails. You can't come together. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. No, still here. Not like a Nicki Minaj.
That's
like that's just
I need to show you a video
unbelievable.
of that, actually.
I've seen it for real. I've seen it, and I was like,
Yeah, but I've seen
she really
it.
took my eye out with it.
Yeah, mind you were close to her though, weren't you?
Yeah. We are. We're like her.
Bezzies.
Bezzies. Still not asked me to do her nails yet though.
Oh no, it's a shame.
It's a goddamn shame. I'm just going to go over with a... I was just buffing over with the white boy.
Oh god, sorry.
Oh, I can't breathe.
When did we do Doctor Who now?
Because we did the stony angels, you know, the angels, the stoned
yeah,
angel.
of course, I forgot about that.
Yeah, and it looked like the ones off Doctor Who, and we had no idea what anybody was talking about when they told us.
Yeah.
We were like, what is that?
I think you had no idea, I knew.
All right, then, I had no idea.